Rest, what's going on?
It's flooding. And we're gonna drown and I can't swim. And there's gonna be a typhoon if we're on the beach.
What?
If we were on the beach. Nell's in the typhoon.
Nell's in the typhoon and we're stuck in Milpera Road.
And Brian.
New Bridge Road, my bad. And Brian's stuck.
That guy is going dangerous.
What's he doing? What?
Whoa!
What?
I'm not going through that. We're gonna be stuck there. We're gonna be like, what now, guys?
What's going on?
This is exciting.
How is it? We're late for practice.
Oh no, there's a car that's stuck. Really? Look.
There's a what?
I wanna see. How funny.
Some guy got out of his car.
We're stuck in the flood. Let me Facebook this status. I'm signing up. Oh no, it's getting bigger. Whoa! Oh my god, we're stuck! This is exciting.
What do you mean it's getting bigger?
How does it flood that fast?
It's getting bigger. Oh my god, no, look! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
It is getting bigger.
How does it flood so fast?
I need to get out of here. I'm scared now.
Do you?
I'm not excited anymore. Really? I'm kind of... Oh my gosh!
Go over the thing.
Look at this guy. Oh, you're being
Yeah, fine, let's go.
look at that guy.
Well, this guy's tricking
Oh my
it.
gosh, blood's everywhere.
We can't do it. We can't do it. You reckon we can do it?
Whoa,
We
what?
could,
The blood.
but-
Yeah, go through the blood.
You'll be safe for a good
Look at
till you
that.
turn.
Look at that. Oh, look at
this
this.
guy.
Let's see what he
Go,
does.
go.
Oh, if that guy can do it, we can do it.
Go, do it.
Can we do it?
Do it.
We're gonna get
Do
stuck.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go slow, nice and slow.
Wow, and then we're stuck. How funny.
Go slow.
Slow and steady. Wow.
Go nice and
blood.
slow.
Whoa, is this what it's like to be in the
Oh my
Philippines?
goodness, I'm driving in the thing.
Oh my goodness. I need to
Oh, look how low we're going.
Ah,
I feel really gross.
It's
I'm
alright.
weird.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Is our engine
I need to change my status.
We made it!
I can't.
Hallelujah! See ya! Adrian, how does that make you feel?
We made it.
Hey. How does it make you feel?
Yeah.
Yeah! Happy kids! There's another one!
Wow, that was so scary.
Look at all these dudes.
Look at the traffic! X-Trail!
I didn't tell someone.
You're gonna tell. I know who you're gonna tell. Look at that.
Go to the X trail.
I told you. But
Now we're ending the wreck.
Left lane! Go on the left lane! Alright.
Look at this traffic.
Look at the traffic! We're late!
we're late for practice.
We just conquered like a meter of flooding. Not really. Maybe like
Half the car.
half the car was under submerged water. Dude, look at the traffic on this baby. We should have took the M5. Why don't we take the
I
M5?
know this one. Let's go to the fast forward. Or whatever.
What's Vic LaRusso gonna say about this one?
This is flooding music.
Where's the
Funny,
house?
funny.
Alright, that's a wrap.
Where's the
This
tripping
big
house?
guy's over there towards Parramatta. One of this flooding. That was scary.
Yeah, there's the tripping house.
What's the time?
For the car.
6:15, so 15 minutes late.
But we have an adventure. We can tell everyone that we went through the flood.
We almost died.
Yeah.
But does the car smell funny now?
Hope not.
I
Look at
can't
this traffic.
smell. I'm sick.
Oh, God,
Oh my gosh! You have to show people this. This is amazing.
And I'm driving, so
I couldn't change my status.
What?
Oh well.
Look at the traffic on these babies.
He can call me to say be careful.
Who?
Yeah. He goes after 4:30.